Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So Luyanda Zwane Bitfeochi role as Sibongile Mbambo on the popular telenovela Sibongile and the Dlaminis. After the first season, Zwane has decided not to renew a contract for the upcoming season. She will be replaced by a newcomer, Ntsikelelo Mtiane. Luyanda made her own decision not to come back for season 2 because she has commitment to her own well-being and career path. Rumors is saying that there were challenges with the production decision to keep her. On her page, she wrote, "Thank you everyone who made it funny for me. Sisebenzile. We laughed, cried, fell and rose. We carried each other with grace and love. Vuda, thank you for seeing me, sharing your talent with me, and most importantly, leading me with integrity, kindness, passion, and compassion. Kwande kuyena." Then she pants down. I think it's sad to watch her leave as we have fallen in love with her character. I hope we will do the same with the new Sibongile. So Sibongile and the Dlamini is watched by over 2.6 million people on Mzansi World 2. The coming season will be filled with both challenges and opportunities for the new Sibongile. I can't wait. And yesterday it was so sad to watch her leave, and I saw the last part and it was so touching for me. And I think no one will replace her. I don't know what you guys think, but I just feel like no one is going to fit in her shoes because she carried that role so well and so perfect that we overlooked that this is actually acting. We actually had to see her leave. I think I share the same sentiments with a lot of people who watches Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Welcome season 2. I think when is it? Next week Monday, because it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I think next week Monday we're going to watch the season 2. After 150, I think it's about 154 episodes if I'm not mistaken. Yesterday was like 154, and next week will be season 2, episode 1.